Today, I'm going to recommend you the best anime list in this video. If you enjoy this video, please do like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you are new, then remember to turn on notification for more upcoming top 10 videos. So, without further ado, let's get back to the video. Number 10. 5 centimeters per second. What happens when two people love each other but just aren't meant to be together? Takki Tuno and Akari Shinohara are childhood friends, but circumstances beyond their control tear them apart. They promise to stay in contact, and although the progression of time widens the distance between them, the chain of memories remains ever present. Byuzoku 5 cm is a romantic drama that focuses on the mundane and harsh reality of long-distance relationships. Stuck in the past and unable to make any new memories, Takki and Akari cling to the hope of seeing each other again. They live their everyday lives half-heartedly, both hurting themselves and the people around them. Number 9. Plastic Memories. 18-year-old Tsukasa Mazuaki has failed his college entrance exams, but after pulling some strings, he manages to land a job at the Cyan Artificial Intelligence Corporation. Psycorp is responsible for the creation of Giftiers, highly advanced androids which are almost indiscernible from normal humans. However, unlike humans, Giftiers have a maximum lifespan of 81,920 hours, or around 9 years and 4 months. Terminal Service 1, the station Tsukasa was assigned to, is responsible for collecting Giftiers that have met their expiration date before they lose their memories and become hostile. Number 8. Death Parade. After death, there is no heaven or hell, only a bar that stands between reincarnation and oblivion. There the attendant will, one after another, challenge pairs of the recently deceased to a random game in which their fate of either ascending into reincarnation or falling into the void will be wagered. Whether it's bowling, darts, air hockey, or anything in between, each person's true nature will be revealed in a ghastly parade of death and memories, dancing to the whims of the bar's master. Welcome to Quindecim, where Decim, arbiter of the afterlife, awaits. Number 7. Angel Beats. Otonashi awakens only to learn he is dead. A rifle-toting girl named Yuri explains that they are in the afterlife, and Otonashi realizes the only thing he can remember about himself is his name. Yuri tells him that she leads the Shinda Sekai Sensen afterlife battlefront and wages war against a girl named Tenshi. Unable to believe Yuri's claims that Tenshi is evil, Otonashi attempts to speak with her, but the encounter doesn't go as he intended. Otonashi decides to join the SSS and battle Tenshi, but he finds himself oddly drawn to her. While trying to regain his memories and understand Tenshi, he gradually unravels the mysteries of the afterlife.
We haven't talked in a month, and when you see me with him, you'll probably think I moved on. Yeah, I lie to him when I say that I'm over you. Yeah, I know it's messed up.
Number 6. Erased. When tragedy is about to strike, Satoru Fujinuma finds himself sent back several minutes before the accident occurs. The detached 29-year-old manga artist has taken advantage of this powerful yet mysterious phenomenon, which he calls revival, to save many lives. However, when he is wrongfully accused of murdering someone close to him, Satoru is sent back to the past once again, but this time to 1988, 18 years in the past. Soon, he realizes that the murder may be connected to the abduction and killing of one of his classmates, the solitary and mysterious Kyo Hinazuki, that took place when he was a child. This is his chance to make things right.
Every time I'm with him, it just makes me miss you more. Even though there's someone new, yeah, they'll never be
Number 5. Anna Hannah. Jinta Yadomi is peacefully living as a recluse, spending his days away from school and playing video games at home instead. One hot summer day, his childhood friend, Mako Menma Honma, appears and pesters him to grant a forgotten wish. He pays her no mind, which annoys her, but he doesn't really care. After all, Menma already died years ago. At first, Jinta thinks that he is merely hallucinating due to the summer heat, but he is later on convinced that what he sees truly is the ghost of Menma. Jinta and his group of childhood friends grew apart after her untimely death, but they are drawn together once more as they try to lay Menma's spirit to rest. Reliving their pain and guilt, will they be able to find the strength to help not only Menma move on, but themselves as well? Number 4. I Want to Eat Your Pancreas. The aloof protagonist, a bookworm who is deeply detached from the world he resides in. He has no interest in others and is firmly convinced that nobody has any interest in him either. His story begins when he stumbles across a handwritten book titled Living with Dying. He soon identifies it as a secret diary belonging to his popular, bubbly classmate Sakura Yamauchi. She then confides in him about the pancreatic disease she is suffering from and that her time left is finite. Only her family knows about her terminal illness, not even her best friends are aware.
Any trouble, yeah, we coming through as one. You know I got your back in every way under the sun. Girl, I be staring, looking at you every single night. I just gotta let you know you brighten up my life.
Number 3. Your Lie in April. Music accompanies the path of the human metronome, the prodigious pianist Kosi Arima. But after the passing of his mother, Saki Arima, Kosi falls into a downward spiral, rendering him unable to hear the sound of his own piano. 2 years later, Kosi still avoids the piano, leaving behind his admirers and rivals, and lives a colorless life alongside his friends Tsubaki Soibe and Ryota Watari. However, Number 2. Clannad After Story. The sequel to the critically acclaimed slice of life series Clannad begins after Tomoya Okazaki and Nagisa Furukawa graduate from high school. Together, they experience the emotional roller coaster of growing up. Unable to decide on a course for his future, Tomoya learns the value of a strong work ethic and discovers the strength of Nagisa's support. Through the couple's dedication and unity of purpose, they push forward to confront their personal problems, deepen their old relationships, and create new bonds. Time also moves on in the illusionary world. As the plains grow cold with the approach of winter, the illusionary girl and the garbage doll are presented with a difficult situation that reveals the world's true purpose. Number 1. A Silent Voice. As a wild youth, elementary school student Shuya Ishida sought to beat boredom in the cruelest ways. When the deaf Shoko Nishimiya transfers into his class, Shuya and the rest of his class thoughtlessly bully her for fun. However, when her mother notifies the school, he is singled out and blamed for everything done to her. With Shoko transferring out of the school, Shuya is left at the mercy of his classmate. He is heartlessly ostracized all throughout elementary and middle school, while teachers turn a blind eye. Now in his third year of high school, Shuya is still plagued by his wrongdoings as a young boy. Sincerely regretting his past actions, he sets out on a journey of redemption to meet Shoko once more and make amends. I want to know.